Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Medicare.gov for coverage tools and forms, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. In the address bar, type Medicare.gov and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once on the home page, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you are a new user, look for the option to create an account. Click on Create an Account to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your name, date of birth, and email address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration. Make sure to create a secure password that meets the website's requirements. Once registered, return to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password into the login fields. Click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Explore the available tools and forms to manage your Medicare coverage. If you need assistance, look for the help section or contact support. Log out after you finish to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.